Hi, this is Dave in computer-generated form. When there was still a Chrysler group under Fiat, we saw some serious improvements to the cars and trucks, like the 300 and Charger getting 8-speed automatics. But there was also a lot of excitement over the new 2013 Dodge Dart. And some of that excitement probably came from resurrecting the old Dart name, and some because Daimler had abandoned small sedans and replaced the Neon, which dominated stock car racing in SCCA, with the Caliber, which replaced the Pontiac Aztek as the butt of all jokes. Best of all, the Dart was supposed to have the sporty handling of an Alfa Romeo and a wider, longer body suited to American roads. All the three engines had a manual transmission option, which excited some media and those of us who still have manual transmissions. So, short story long, this is the press kit that came along with the Dart, and it reflected the excitement of the time. So let's slip off the outer band and open it up. And here we find that it's made of actual wood, not plastic or cardboard. And inside, it's a dartboard setup based on the dartboards used in English pubs. Take a look at that. It's set up like a chalkboard. They're taking the Dart name seriously, more seriously probably than the original Chrysler people who came up with it. Maybe the car will fly like a real Dart. And keep in mind at this point, most people outside of a few favored writers and Chrysler employees themselves had not seen or driven the car. This press kit was handed out at the official release. Next we have this very clever USB drive. It looks like a Dart. It's a clever shape because you can put it into any computer, including any laptop or a USB hub, but it's also hard to lose and very distinctive. And finally we have this thick, glossy color book, the entire contents of which are of course on the USB drive. There wouldn't be many years of real press kits after this. It was quite a nice kit, and I really liked the Dart itself. It was well packaged and made good use of the footprint. It had quite large interior space, and the trunk opening was large enough to make the trunk really useful. I liked the balance of economy and power and the fact that it didn't have the rubber band feel you sometimes get with small turbo engines and automatic transmissions that don't downshift readily. Unless you got the Aero, it was quite a nice riding car too. My own 2013 Dodge Dart is still on the road. Now this is the first video I'm trying without doing my own narration, at least my own narration in terms of you seeing my face. I hope that you like it.